You're welcome to the Forex Trading and Lifestyle Entrepreneurship channel. Do take a minute to pause this video and read this disclaimer. Hello people, it's Victor here from ForeshoreMarkets.com. In today's video, we'll be doing a basic introduction to risk management. Okay, if you're going to be successful in the game, if you're going to be successful in the business or in the career of financial markets, you cannot afford to neglect risk management. Okay, this is the core reason why most traders lose money in the financial markets. This is the reason why most traders struggle to make it in the financial market. If there are two things you're going to fix, right, it's going to have to be your risk management and your trading psychology. Talking about having the right mindset. Okay, so we just finished technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Okay, so we've sorted out how do you know when to buy, how do you know when to sell. In the course of further videos, we'll go deeper and go into some more practical approaches. Okay, so what's left for us now is risk management and your trading psychology. All right, so we'll focus on risk management. I'll just talk, nothing really prepared. I usually speak everything I share with you. Most things I've been sharing with you on this channel, it just comes from my head, as in it's right there inside of me, because I've been doing this for over 14 years. Okay, and I've experienced what it is like to start as a newbie, to struggle and to fail. Okay, and I've seen where I made my mistakes, before I got to where I am today, and I'll share a few of them with you. First of all, let's look at the issue of the marketers. Okay, I'll mention names this times. When we started out, I didn't join any training organization or anything, but there are guys, they call them IML. They used to be called IML. Okay, it's a network marketing company, but their product is Forex training. Okay, and what I came to see was that these guys, they make money from commissions, getting people to pay for training, and they're not professional at all, because they would tell you anything to get you interested in the Forex business. They could tell you things like you could start Forex trading with $200 and make $500 a month, $1,000 a month. And so everyone started thinking this was a get-rich scheme. People come into the business, follow wrong training, get their fingers burnt, and then they start saying it's a scam. No, it's not a scam. If it was a scam, the biggest of the biggest banks, the financial market is the biggest business in the world, and it's the biggest market in the world. If it were a scam, the HSBCs will not be involved in it. The Goldman Sachs will not be involved in it. Morgan Stanley, Citibank, UBS, they would not be involved in it. Okay, so scam, nothing like scam in this. It's just that you need the proper education. Okay, so if you want to study medicine, you need to go to university for maybe 6-7 years, do housemanship and all of that. If you want to be an engineer, probably 5 years, industrial training and all of that. Okay, people who want to be experts in financial markets, they go to university to learn, take degrees in finance and economics, maybe 4 years and all of that. Okay, so why do most people think they can just come into the financial markets, come into the Forex market and do a weekend seminar and expect to start making money overnight? No, it doesn't work that way. Okay, but these are the lies that marketers tell unsuspecting newbies to drag them into the system, get them to pay for trading that would not make them money, and and give us a bad name. Okay, so the marketers have been a part of the problem. Okay, brokers have also been part of the problem. Okay, not giving out proper education. They just want you to come and trade on their platform. Okay, but if you're going to go far in the business, okay, risk management is key. All right, the right expectation is key. This is not a get rich quick scheme. It is not a Ponzi. It is not what you expect. You will just come 1 month, 2 months, and you're blown. No, it's a business. It's a career that you need to work on with consistency and proper education. Okay, the sky will be your limit. Okay, so get the right expectation, put in the work, and you will make the money. So risk management is important. Okay, risk management is very important. Risk management is what allows you limit your losses, okay, and let your profits run. So at any point in time, let me see what I have here. Stop loss, risk reward. Okay, we'll do that in the next video. At any point in time, you always have to manage your risk. When traders come into the market, newbies come into the business, what you hear them asking is, how much can I make? How much can I make in 1 month? How much will I make in 1 week? If I start learning now, when do I start making money? Those are wrong questions to ask. Okay, before you start thinking about how much can you make, you think about your risk first of all, because first principles, you need to protect your capital protection. Okay, risk management is all about capital protection. Very key. So you see your capital like something precious, something precious that you don't joke with. Okay, so you don't want to see that capital going from, let's say you had 1,000, and then in 1 day it goes to 500. That's gambling. Okay, you don't want to see that happening. And of course, you don't also want to see it jumping to 1,500 in 1 day. That's gambling as well. Okay, but you have to use the approach of long-term, consistent growth on your equity. And of course, I'm going to be sharing different secrets with you on how you can grow your equity, and other ways that you can make money from your ability to trade. Okay, so capital protection. So risk management, basically, I think I had a definition of this. Risk management in trading basically is the practice of identifying, analyzing, quantifying, and taking steps to minimize losses in advance. Okay, a lot of traders come into the business thinking that they don't want to lose. You never take a loss. It's not possible. Okay, losses are part of the business, but make your losses small and make your profits bigger. Okay, make your losses small and make your profits bigger. I have people who I traded for as investors, and what I was experiencing was that anytime their capital just goes down, maybe 5%, 10%, they start calling me, Mr. Victor, what's happening? Mr. Victor, what is happening? And I'm like, do you not understand what is going on in this market? You just expect your equity curve to just go up in a straight line. It doesn't work that way. I'm not a magician. Okay, we must obey the laws of the market. Your equity curve would obey the laws of the trend. It will go up, it will come down before going up higher, and that's how it works. Okay, so that's just a brief introduction to risk management. Okay, how do you identify your risk? Okay, analyze your risk, quantify your risk, and take the right steps to minimize those losses. Okay, and of course maximize the wins or the profit. So in the next video, we start looking at risk control measures. We'll look at stop loss, one video, risk reward, one video, risk percentage per trade, one video, position sizing, one video. Then we put everything together into one. All right, so if you've learned something new, give us a thumbs up. If you're already into trading, share your thoughts on what you think about risk management. Why do traders lose money? Why did they lose money so much? Okay, so I'm never surprised, because when you come into a business and you do a one weekend seminar and you go live, in 1 week, and you start trading, there's no magic that you can perform. Okay, there are principles, there are procedures, there's due process you have to follow. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If this is your first time watching our videos, make sure you click the subscribe button below the video, click the bell to the right of the subscribe button, and click all notifications so you can get notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.